Hey everyone, I'll be doing a festive makeup look using mostly affordable makeup, and I'll start off by using Freshkon One Day Color Fusion lenses in Shimmering Grey, and you can see it actually makes my pupil look so much bigger. To prep my skin, I'll be using Creme Derma-Hydrating Toner Mist to keep my skin hydrated, and Etude House Face Blur to cover up my pores. I'm using Bourjois Air Matte Foundation in 01 Rose Ivory. The coverage is really light here, so you will definitely need to use a concealer. And as for my brush, I'm using Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. It's very easy to use and blend. After concealing my blemishes, I'll be using Bourjois Air Matte Powder in 01 Rose Ivory. The powder is very finely milled and it doesn't make my foundation look cakey. Since it's the festive season, I wanted to explore different kinds of eye makeup looks, and I'll be using Bourjois Le Smoky palette today. I'm surprised that the eyeshadows are very wearable and easy to blend. I wanted my eye makeup look to look more glittery, so I'll be using Etude House Look at My Eyes in B105. I have gone through several tubes of L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. It's really good, it holds your curls really well, and I'll be moving on to my brows. Because we will be taking lots of photos, so be sure to contour. I'm using VELY VELY Sculpt Line Contour Duo in Natural Skin. And for my blush, I'll be using Bourjois 74 Rose Amber Blush. Not forgetting to highlight, I'm using MAC Double Gleam Extra Dimension Skinfinish. To finish up my eyes, I'll be using Bourjois Contour Clubbing Waterproof Eyeliner in 56 Blue It Yourself. I really like the formula. It's very smooth, easy to use, pigmented, and it doesn't smudge. And I'll be adding MAC Double Gleam on the inner corners of my eyes. To finish off this entire makeup look, I'll be using Bourjois Rouge Edition Velvet number 18, It's Raining Men. Oops, guess I'm not done, and I'll be using Creme Derma-Hydrating Toner Mist again to set everything, and I'll be using L'Occitane Lumiere perfume. I really like the scent. It's very feminine and not too overpowering. Hope you guys enjoy this festive makeup look, and happy holidays!